The workshop is an implementation of the Chinese government's strategic planning to build the country into a major space power, following President Xi Jinping's idea of making a pioneering contribution to the shared future for mankind by peaceful use of outer space. Specifically, we'll maintain the multilateralism with the UN system at the core, promote international exchanges and dialogue for a win-win development that could benefit people of all countries. We're also releasing the action statement of China Space on promoting to establish a new global partnership in space exploration and innovation. The workshop also aims to grow the Hainan Free Trade Port and boost the regional opening up in space industry. China has achieved great success in its major aerospace projects in the past 60 years, especially the last decade. We have signed 87 space cooperation agreements or memorandums of understanding with agencies from 36 countries and regions and 6 international organizations. We have also signed cooperation outlines with 9 national space agencies and engaged with 18 international organizations and mechanisms, responding to more than 110 foreign requests for emergency observation. Under the Belt and Road Initiative, we've led projects like the Space Information Corridors, the BRICS remote sensing satellites, and the multi-mission small satellites within the Asia-Pacific Space Cooperation Organization. We've also carried out in-depth cooperation in engineering tasks such as manned space flights, lunar and Mars explorations. Regarding the deep space exploration, we'll focus on the joint research on lunar station, asteroid and interplanetary exploration. On space science, we'll study together on the space environment, the origin and evolution of planets, the dark matter particles, solar eruptions, and the space gravitational waves. We'll support international cooperation in satellite engineering, aerospace measurement and control, as well as commercial spaceflight. We'll open the data of the China-France Oceanographic Satellite to the World Meteorological Satellite Organization and promote a global sharing and scientific application of Jianghen-1, electromagnetic monitoring satellite data. We'll continue our steps with BRI, Asia-Pacific and BRICS partners in fields of data sharing service and construction of remote sensing satellite constellations.